Okay, drilling Japanese now with all the data I have accumulated with Anki, with all the vocabulary I now know, and some lessons I have with my teacher. I put everything in a folder, and now the AI is making lessons from exactly where I am at, because I have been able to. Okay, let's go. It's been a long time. Sorry, I should have recorded earlier. This is one of the lessons here that you can see on screen that was made by the AI based on the data exactly at my level right now. So this is Sagyoin, the worker says. Let's hear what the worker has to say.
危ないですよ。
Abinai desio. It's uh, it's dangerous. It's dangerous. So the concept of this lesson that I asked the AI for is how to relay information. So let's say you're in the office, one worker said something, or in the meeting, someone said something, then you have to relay it to another worker. Just relaying information. It's something I have to do all the time, every day. So I need to how to be on point on that, which I was not at all. I didn't know before how to say it. So.
危ないですよ。
Here, the worker, the Sagyuin, said it's very dangerous, abunai. So let's say it in Japanese. Sagyuin ga abunai da って言ってました。作業員が危ないだって言ってました。OK? 作業員が危ないだって言ってました。This is just approximate, okay? I should, okay, let's not, this is just for myself, just to know if I can say it or not, okay? 作業員が危ないだって言ってました。And I recall myself also. Now let's hear.
作業員が危ないって言ってました。
危ないって言ってました。
作業員が危ないって言ってました。
危ないって、okay, so E adjectives, no da. Oh, exactly my mistake here. You can see. The AI is mind-blowing. It's really mind-blowing. Just anticipated my mistake. This is an E adjective, so no da. Okay, so I did mistake here. I missed it. This one, operator ga, I missed it too. I think you got the idea. Now I'm just gonna do the three last very quickly, and you just take a look at the how to re-drill it later from the AI, just to take a look what the AI is offering. So yes, it's AI, but still I have gave the AI the best resources, the best grammar guide that I found. I told him this is the way you should talk, just like in the grammar guide. The grammar guide is called Sakubi, yesterday grammar guide. If you want to have it, Sakubi, this is this one. Very nice resource. So I put this in, and I also put all my data from I have now, and I put him, so I gave the AI some direction. I did some research about the best way to acquire language, and I tailored it to my level exactly, and I also tailored it with the best resources. So, okay, it's mind-blowing, but still I had to do some work before. Now it's all automatic. I have nothing to do. I can actually, if you want, you can ask me for the skills. Where is okay, Japanese the ginkgo. This one. If you want, you can ask me for the skill. I will give it to you. So I have a bunch of skills here. I can give the most important skills that I have built over time. And these skills are basically what it is all doing. So here you have the drill app skill, which is making this drill apps right here that retains data and improves over time. So if anyone is wanting this, and put a comment down below, and I can send it to you for free. So now let's just finish this. I think it is Yamada-san. Let's hear what Yamada-san has to say.
今はあなたが先生ですよ。今はあなたが先生ですよ。
Now You are the sensei. Now you are the sensei. Huh? Something like that. ですよ。Like, affirming it. So, 山田さんが、今はあなたが先生ですよって言ってました。山田さんが、今はあなたが先生ですよって言ってました。山田さんが、今はあなたが先生ですよって言ってました。山田さんが、今はあなたが先生ですよって言ってました。Okay, I don't have to type it, it's very annoying. So let's just hear the answer.
山田さんが、今はあなたが先生だって言ってました。
先生だ。Oh, 先生だ。Why? 先生ですよ。Okay, because this is a noun, and the noun becomes da. The noun takes da. The real one from yesterday. Yes, sensei is a noun, so it takes da. I almost had it. Okay. What is this? I think it's Bucho. I think it's the boss. Bucho.
部長、
Yes. Let's say what the boss has to say.
3時に行きます。
Let's hear again what the boss has to say.
3時に行きます。
3時に来ます。3時に来ます。Let's go at 3. So the boss said, we go. No, the boss said he goes at 3. Oh, yes, he goes at 3. 部長が3時、3時行くって言ってました。部長が3時行くって言ってました。部長が3時行くって言ってました。部長。Let's not type it, it's very annoying. Let's hear the answer.
部長が3時に行くって言ってました。
行くって言ってました。3時に
3時に行きます。
あ、
3時に行きます。
3時に行きます。3時に 3? 2? What is this? I think Sanji, I thought he was going at 3, like 3 p.m., something like that. 3時に like, okay, let's see the answer. 3時に行きます。Oh, 3時に is the particle. Okay. 行きます。行く。3時に行きます。3時に行きます。Okay. Okay, so now I just cleared a few things just to make it a little bit more easier to understand. So now when I want to see the answer, I can show the English here. Yeah, I needed this, you know. So I don't want to see the English right away because I want to read it and struggle with the, and you know, most, like for example, this one, I can read it entirely. So I don't need the English, you know. So I don't want to show it automatically. Okay, let's finish with the last one. This is Tanaka-san. What's Tanaka-san has to say?
コンクリートはまだ来ません。
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 So the concrete is not yet 来ません. I think it's hard. To harden? I think it's to harden. So, 田中さんが、コンクリートはまだ来まない。田中さんはまだ来まないって言ってました。田中さんが、コンクリートはまだ来ない。まだ来ない。田中さんが、コンクリートはまだ来ないって言ってました。そう、まだ来ません。Oh, 来ません。just okay, didn't come. 来ません。Concrete still isn't here. Okay. 田中さんが、コンクリートはまだ来ない。But, well, it's the same. It's just the same. 田中さんは、田中さんがまだ来ないって言ってました。田中さんがコンクリートはまだ来ないって言ってました。
田中さんがコンクリートはまだ来ないって言ってました。
Yes. I had it. Nice. So read plan. Let's see what the AI has for me, has in stock for me for the read reel to make sure I get this, I keep this, I memorize this. So spacing, not repeating every 1 day. Today, this whole page. Okay, it's done. Tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow listen to the drill called no page open on the phone. Okay, so there is a drill.mp3, very nice. So nice. In 3 days, track list mp3, then shadow answer. Wow, he made some audio files that I can listen and repeat. Nice. Any break. So 3 days. The offline file on the work computer. Whole lesson no install, nothing saved on that machine. Okay, so sometimes, okay, and in 7 days come back 10 new relays mixed with da and no da. So da is just the rule. Sometimes you put da to quote someone, sometimes you don't. So when you do is for the na adjectives and the nouns. Okay, very nice. Save and send. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that little lesson. How Claude helps me to learn Japanese. I think it's a nice one.